Since he trying to hit me with your fucking head, with your head,
he kicked him.
I didn't hit you. That's what you're gonna get. I didn't hit you. Come on, you wanna do it?
Felony charge, brother. Battery law enforcement officer.
On August 11th, 2023, an airport passenger denied carriage refused to leave the terminal after formal warning.
What's up, boss?
So I don't know how these gentlemen get back to the gate, but he's came back in German and he's a simple man.
Okay.
He doesn't have no fly with us.
Okay, nothing here.
He's right over here. The ones.
But since he trying to hit me with your fucking head, with your head,
he kicked him.
I didn't hit you. That's what you're gonna get. I didn't hit you. Come on, you wanna do it?
Felony charge, brother. Battery law enforcement officer.
On August 11th, 2023, an airport passenger denied carriage refused to leave the terminal after formal warning.
What's up, boss?
So I don't know how these gentlemen get back to the gate, but he's came back in German and he's a simple man.
Okay.
He doesn't have no fly with us.
Okay, nothing here.
He's right over here. The one sitting down over here with a short.
The white shoes, blue Nautica shirts. Okay, what's he saying? That's his info?
What's up? How you been, man?
What's going on, boss? You good?
That's his bedroom. That's his information.
That's him here? Is he English speaking?
Both.
Both.
So I guess you're not going to understand him because he's really.
That's why I brought my people.
He's really cool.
Okay.
So you already told him he's not flying?
He doesn't have no fly at all.
What's he been telling you now?
He's been removed already. They came back. I don't know how.
Oh, 85, but he's not flying.
This since he's been back in the facility?
Yeah. He was arguing earlier.
Okay. So he has no business here.
There's no business
Okay.
at all.
He's traveling by himself?
Yeah, that's all.
Take it back to, you see the gentleman? Take it back to Atlantic side.
How you doing? Okay, you know you can't fly over here, right? They tell you can't fly.
We're told him that he's a fact, that he's mad.
No, he's not mad. It's that you're not flying with them. So I don't know why you came back over here. They escorted you over to the other side.
And why not?
Listen, all I need you to do is get up, and then we're going to leave. If you refuse, I'll take you to jail for trespassing.
Grab your bag, brother.
Give me a second.
No, second.
No, give me a second. I got my right.
Grab your bag.
I had a 1, a 6, and a 4.
Grab your bag. We gotta go. Yeah.
Move over here. Yeah, I'll move you.
No, we're not playing games. Get your bag. Get your bag. We gotta go.
Chris,
Grab your bag. Let's walk.
P, police officer.
Get up.
Left up. Wow.
Turn around.
Turn around. Put your hand behind your back.
Get up.
No. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. You gotta go.
I am. Stop.
Stop. Stop.
I am. Stop. I am. Stop. I'm gonna get up. Stop. Can you stop? No. Let me get up.
Alright, that one's on.
I'm not. I get up.
I need a double cuff.
I'm getting up.
I need another cuff. Bro, stop resisting.
I'm not.
Stop resisting.
Recording.
Stop resisting. You can record. We're recording.
I'm getting up.
This was.
Alright, give me your other hand, brother.
Chris, give me. I am. Smoke. What? Come on.
Give me your hand, bro.
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay, get up. Got to get up.
Give me your hand, bro. Give me a tase neck. He's good.
Hold on, my arm.
I need to see your leg.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hold on. You hurting my arm.
Alright, well, then stop resisting right now.
Put your hand behind your
Put
back.
your hand behind your back.
You fuck. Let me get up.
I don't want to hurt you, man.
Let me get up.
Put your hands
Let
behind
me
your
get
back.
up.
Put your hand behind your back.
Let me get up. Let me get up.
Give me your hand.
I'm going to taser. Right here.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand, bro.
Let me get up.
Give me your hand. Stop
Let me
resisting,
get
guys.
up.
Yeah, right now. It's gonna hurt.
Hold on. My arm.
It's gonna hurt.
My arm.
Put your hand behind your back.
Listen.
Lean
my arm
forward.
hurting.
Lean forward.
1822.
Lean forward.
Put your hand behind your back.
Listen.
Bro,
Listen.
lean
I
forward.
am. Listen.
Give me your hand, brother.
Listen. But let me get up. Let me get up. My arm hurts. That arm hurts.
Then lean forward.
You're hurting me.
Lean forward.
Get your other hand behind your back. I'm trying for them.
There you go, man. Nice and easy. Okay, make it in. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Hurts here. Okay, now get up, my friend. See? Now you get up. That's it.
I'm here, man.
Okay, stand up. There you go. All good to go. 492, show 1015.
No. I'll be here.
1822.
Thank you. Where's your phone? It's in your pocket.
No, it's not my bag, nigga. My bag. My bag.
Your phone? Let's go.
My bag. My bag. Hello. Stop. Hello. Cabrón. Okay, hey. You know what? Truthfully, I'm hurt. You hurt my arm. Listen. I'm a cut.
Stop resisting, dude. What did you just kick me?
No, I'm doing
You
this.
just kicked me. You kicked an officer.
Come on.
Stand up.
All right. Listen. Take a break for me.
I'm listening.
Come on, take a break for me. Would you stop? A couple times. My arm. You hurt my arm. My arm hurt.
Where's the hurt at?
This way.
This way?
You
gonna chill? Are you ready to relax?
I've been chilling.
Are you ready to relax? We can walk like a grown man. That's up to you.
Go. We are. Go. Please. Arms hurt. When I said go, I don't. You're hurting me. Look, you got him.
Yeah. He stepped in.
Okay.
He stepped in.
Big boy.
Oh, for like a statement? Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, downstairs.
Hello. Yeah, we get down to the car.
Swap out?
Is that?
Swap out?
I'm not resisting. You are. Listen. Please. Tackle off. You're going?
Yeah, of course, man.
I mean, you really. There were two. It's too tight.
I will fix them.
No. Please, listen. I can listen. I'm telling you truth. I do. Come on.
Okay, here we go. This ain't story time, bro.
Hey, you whatever. Take one. 2 minutes, please. Please. Yeah. We'll get out there. What? I think something back. Cool. You know. That's why you're on. You gotta go. Oh, sorry. What's that? You feel me? Here we go. That's great. You get home. Yeah, we'll get down. Oh, yeah? I'll give it one. The one.
Yeah. So I was just gonna arrest you for disorderly, but since you trying to hit me with your fucking head, with your
He
head,
kicked him.
I didn't hit you.
that's what you're gonna get.
I didn't hit you. Come on. You want to do it?
Felony charge, brother. Battery law enforcement officer.
I'm gonna fucking remember. I didn't think. I'm hungry.
No.
I see you. Let me go. I'm hungry. You said, you told me.
We'll get downstairs.
Here's my feelings.
We'll get downstairs, we'll adjust it.
You drunk. You don't know what? Shit.
Wait, I got that.
All is back. All is back.
I'm not. Right there. This system, wow. I got something.
Embarrassed by you.
And no, fuck you. Watch this one.
How old are you, man?
You?
How old are you?
I'm matter.
It don't matter?
No. How are you? How are you?
Oh, there we go. Just a little slower.
How are you?
Old enough to
Yeah, it's fine.
20?
be here.
25?
Oh, man.
30?
A whole lot more than that, man. I'm probably your age, except I'm mature.
What's the age then?
That's it, yeah. I'm just your age. I'm just that drunk.
I'm 60.
Yeah. Isn't that something?
I'm
You shame
drunk.
a grown man like you.
Drunk.
Go through all this. This is how you act in the airport. We're good.
Yeah.
We're good. Pretty sad. You got kids, man? You got kids?
It's recording. It's recording.
Come on. Let's go.
It's recording. Good.
Let's go, buddy.
My phone.
Let's go, buddy.
It's recording. I'm recording. I see my arm. I got come to front. There you go, look at it. You know, we're giving me a fuck. And also, quick.
Oh, hang on. Okay, what do you want to call?
I'm out.
Ghostbusters?
No, I call it. Fuck. Look at it.
Hey, look at you, man.
Let me quickly. I hope you have morning. Okay, let's go. Diamond, please. Diamond. Which one? 1, 2, 3. No? Or number 2. See, my friend. First one, second one.
we get, my friend?
They're a little piece of me. Hey, one fish, two fish. One or two, each one. First one. Like you, man. What you do?
What's your name? What's your name? Cologne, this is what we're going to do. We're going to adjust these handcuffs. Okay, as long as you behave. If not, I'll throw you in the back seat the way the handcuffs are. And the only reason they're tight is because you resisted us all the way. So let us fix them. You want us to fix them? So do not move. We'll take your watch off. There's a watch with your ring on in your pocket. Or in your pocket. Don't move.
That's done. Okay.
Keep them back here.
That one's
They're gonna
done.
Fix it.
That's loose. Plenty loose. It's locked. Fix this. Lock that fucker.
We went up. Go to the jail.
Okay. We're just gonna. How are we looking on this? Okay.
There we talk. Here we're gonna talk.
I'm just gonna.
No, you good.
No, you're fine.
All right. Ever so slightly.
That's what it is. I'm not gonna.
I appreciate you, man. I wish you'd have done that to begin with.
No, I said.
Truly.
I
Now,
told
we
you.
go
I
on.
got a couple of tunnels. You won't come at me?
Okay.
You want to come at me?
Is he
Come
searched?
You want to come around?
Okay, you got him? You got him?
I'll tell you the best way to sit there. Look at me. Turn your back that way.
Yeah, I'll throw that out.
Come on out. Come back out.
Thank you.
Bring your knee over here a little bit. Now sit down. Now sit down. Let's go back.
Yeah, I know. I got a couple of tunnels. That's all.
Okay, let's go back.
You got it?
When you sit down, I got it.
Fuck it.
You got the key, I'll get started.
That's how you got to sit.
Okay.
You take a picture of that?
Yeah, let me get that air going, man. It's 100 degrees in there.
Yeah. You make contact with my head. Right.
No, I mean, stay secure.
Yeah. Stay secure.
The encounter raised 4 distinct legal questions under federal and state law. First, the source of the trespass authority. Title 49, United States Code, Section 44902, subsection B, governs air carrier refusal of transport. It permits a carrier to refuse any passenger deemed inimical to safety, and federal courts give that refusal broad deference. See Williams v. Transworld Airlines, decided by the Second Circuit in 1975. Once carriage is refused, the passenger loses lawful presence in the passenger-only areas of the terminal. Refusal to leave after formal warning satisfies the trespass elements in nearly every state code. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, the Fourth Amendment permits full custodial arrest for any offense supported by probable cause. Even fine-only misdemeanors qualify. The seriousness threshold is set by state law, not by the Constitution. Second, the use of force analysis. Graham v. Connor establishes objective reasonableness as the sole Fourth Amendment standard for police force. Force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. 3 factors govern: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or fleeing. Here the offense is minor, the threat low to moderate, and resistance mixed, partly verbal compliance.